All right, I'm moving along here. I connected I drilled the holes and I got the profiles connected, but the latest thing I don't understand. They talk about the hole in the corner up here, the fifth hole, but then later on down here, when it puts a thing together, it doesn't show you which way that hole goes. I don't see, can't really make it out in any of these photos. Is it, well, when you flip it over, is it down here or is it up here? I don't know. I can't tell which way this thing's supposed to go. Maybe you can help me out. This looks different than your heater. This is all enclosed here, but it's not symmetrical. You can see it's closer to this side, and I don't know whether to put this thing this way or spin it around the other way. And I looked carefully on your video, but I did not see this fifth hole anywhere on your bed. If you could help me out with that, I would appreciate it. Thanks.